In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your LinkedIn URL. This is a simple but useful skill to know, especially if you need to share your profile with recruiters, clients, coworkers, or anyone you want to connect with professionally. Your LinkedIn URL is the direct web address to your profile, and copying it correctly makes it easy for others to find you without having to search manually. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your LinkedIn account first, then open your profile page. This is the main area where your professional information is displayed, including your photo, headline, experience, and other profile details. If you're already on LinkedIn, you can usually access your profile by clicking your profile picture or your name from the top navigation area. Once you're on your profile dashboard, look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. In that area, you'll see your profile link displayed. This is the unique address that leads directly to your LinkedIn profile page. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct link, especially if there are multiple profile-related options visible on the screen. Next, click and highlight your profile URL. Be sure the full link is selected from beginning to end so that nothing is missed when you copy it. After the link is highlighted, copy it using your keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and C. If you're using a Mac, press Command and C. After copying, it's a good idea to paste the link somewhere temporarily, like a Notes app or message draft, just to confirm that it copied correctly. This can save time and help you avoid sending an incomplete link. If the full address appears when you paste it, then you're all set. That's it. You've successfully copied your LinkedIn URL. You can now paste it anywhere you need, whether that's on a resume, in an email, in a job application, or in a message to a new contact. Keeping your LinkedIn profile link handy is a quick way to share your professional presence online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and easily copy your LinkedIn URL.